You can automate follow-ups, trigger Slack alerts, or automate an entire workflow with on-update logic. In this video, I'll show you how to use it, what it helps you automate, and give you real-life examples to bring your work to life. There are 3 types of logic with Formaloo: when a field is responded to, when a form is submitted, and when a field is updated. On-update logic covers the latter. Here's what you can automate with it: send custom follow-up emails when a field changes, trigger Slack messages when a status is updated, call webhooks to connect with external tools, notify your team instantly when tasks are reassigned, and now generate custom PDFs when key fields are updated. To configure it, open your form editor and go to Advanced Logic. Next, click on On-Update tab. From here, set the condition like this. Here are some real-world use cases. In recruitment systems, when a candidate status changes, on-update logic can trigger next steps like notifications or task assignments. It helps teams move faster without manual follow-ups. When a project milestone is updated, clients can be instantly notified and looped in. This keeps communication clear, timelines visible, and teams aligned without extra back and forth. In healthcare portals, updating appointment or intake status can automatically notify patients and internal staff. It reduces delays, improves coordination, and enhances the patient experience. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment with the first workflow you plan to automate. Happy Formalooing!